What's up, guys? It's your boy Carlito's Way World TV. Got a quick show and tell / unboxing video for you guys. Right here, this package already been opened. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, size 12. These are not my size. I'm a size between 10.5 and 11. Flat-footed, so yeah. So yeah, these are it right here. These are the Air Jordan. I think they're called handcraft or something like that. I forget. But you can see I was able to hit for these kicks right here. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, they all right. They all right. You know, I wouldn't get these as a personal, but if it was a gift, I'll take it. But yeah, I'm planning to resell these. Retail was $170. You probably could get away selling these on eBay between $220, $230, well, $220, between $220, $240 maybe. StockX, you're not gonna really make much, depending on your seller fees and shit like that over there. And then let's open these right here. I have a another box from Nike, so let's open that. So I was able to hit my size. As you can see, it's damaged. My size, women's 12, which is a man's 10.5. Yeah, it should be a women's 12, which is a man's 10.5. So let's see what we got here. We got the Air Jordan Retro High OG. I forget what the names of these sneakers are called, but these are the ones that are pink with the patent leather, I believe, right here. Pretty shiny, pretty nice. I was able to hit on these. Yeah, so these are my size. Retails $170. No taxes in New Jersey, so for like sneakers and clothing. Shipping's free, I believe, on the sneakers app. Yeah, so I was able to hit. Let me see. I believe these are supposed to be a women's 12, a men's 10.5, which is should say it though. They didn't say it's for women's and I don't think. It's probably a straight up. I think it's hold on. Yeah, it's women's. So it's a women's 12, which is a men's 10.5. So yeah, these are pretty nice though in person. So yeah, got the other pair here, but you know, just gonna leave it there, right? And then last but not least, box of damage. But yeah, retails $170. I may be able to resell them for about $260 to $280, maybe $300 on eBay. I think I'd rather sell on eBay. And then here, got a special package here. Got this for myself for Christmas. Got a little collab going on with the Carhartt and Bodega. So let's check it out. So yeah, here we go. Got my order right here, size medium. I was debating on a medium or a large, so I got the medium instead to get a nice little fit. I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good. So yeah, check it out. This is Bodega Carhartt collab going on. Check that out, man. Hard work, full of flavor. Yes, sir. This is nice right here. Nice and stitched with the gold trim. It looks like an apple with the Carhartt logo. This is really sexy right here. This is the personal, I believe. This is for myself. And you got the tag over here since what, 2006, 2021. I think that's for like collab wise, like bodega type shit. But yeah, size medium, man. And Carhartt, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets with the Carhartt right here with the Bodega, 15 years. Alright, inside. Put your name here and telephone number. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. This is sexy, man. They got the side pockets. They got the side pockets. No side pockets. No side pockets. I like the inside pockets with the side shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try this out real quick. So bear with me, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm rocking my Bodega vest, Carhartt vest collab. Pretty neat, pretty cool. Fits perfect on me. Wish I could show you the back side. Okay. This is the back of it. Sorry for the dirty mirror. But yeah, man, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's for the personal. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, this is probably the last video of the year for 2021. And, you know, we're going to continue on making some more videos for 2022. So happy New Year's to you guys. It's your boy, Carlito's Way World TV. I'm out. Like I said, come on, man. I have to reach 1,000 subscribers, man. 2020, 2020. We already know. 2022, man. I'm getting all fucked up. But let's go, man. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Stay sober when you're driving. And happy New Year's. Peace.